Hello everyone, welcome to Comfy Eating. Today we are going to make a dessert that's perfect for celebrations or whenever you want to treat yourself to something special. This dessert has got layers of crispy vermicelli, creamy custard, and crunchy dry fruits. This dessert is so easy to prepare, it's visually stunning and guaranteed to impress anyone who tastes it. So let's see how to make this Nawabi Sevai. For this recipe, I am using fried lacha vermicelli. You can use the thin vermicelli you'll get in the market. So we're just going to roughly crush them with the hands. In a pan, now we are going to dry roast the sliced dry fruits. And we are just going to keep them aside for garnishing later. In the same pan, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee and add our vermicelli. We are going to saute this on medium flame until the vermicelli changes color and turns nice golden brown. Once our vermicelli changes color, we are going to add sugar and milk powder to this. First we will add half cup of sugar and mix them well. Next we are going to add 1/3 cup of milk powder and we are going to mix them well. Mix everything well so that the sugar and the milk powder coat the vermicelli evenly. Once our vermicelli is ready, we are going to keep them aside and prepare our custard mixture. In a bowl, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of corn flour, add half cup of milk. We are going to mix them well and then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of custard powder and mix everything well so that there are no lumps. Next, we are going to take 1 liter of milk, add our custard mixture to this and add 1/4 cup of milk made to this. And we are going to mix everything well. Next, we are going to filter this directly into a pan and bring the milk to a boil. We need to stir continuously to avoid any lumps. We need to keep stirring until we get a nice thick and creamy consistency. This will take roughly around 7 to 8 minutes. So now our custard mixture is ready. We'll switch off the flame. Now we are going to assemble the dessert. For this, in a dish, we are going to spread the prepared vermicelli evenly at the bottom. We are going to gently press it down to form a very nice firm base. Next, we are going to pour the warm custard mixture over the vermicelli layer and spread it evenly. On top, we are going to add the remaining sorted vermicelli on top of the custard layer. We are going to spread it gently and cover the custard completely without pressing down too hard. For garnishing, we are going to sprinkle the roasted dry fruits generously on top for a beautiful finish. We are going to cover the dish and let it cool at room temperature first, and then we are going to refrigerate it at least for 4 hours or overnight before we serve them. And so here we have our Nawabi Sevai is ready. This dessert is so simple. It's got creamy layers and crunchy toppings. It's just perfect for any occasion. Hope you liked this recipe. If you did, do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tasty and interesting recipes. Thank you for watching.